Good morning, friends. Welcome to goonlinetrainings.com. So, the next important topic is how do you share the content? Content means what you have to know. If somebody asks you content means what? We are going to be either sharing reports or using a report, we are going to be creating dashboards. Clear? So both of them are called as content. We are not going to be sharing data sets because data and data sets they have. So they don't need the same data, right? So if I give you data, I wanted to need the report, right? So the data will be given by the customers. If you give the same data to the customer, there is no fun there, right? Because they have the data, they'll give you the data, you have to create reports and dashboards, you have to give the content means what I'm talking about, reports and dashboards, these are called content. So the interview question is that how many dashboards you have created last project or last 1 year. You can tell them that I have created almost 30 to 50 plus dashboards. I have created some 100 200 plus dashboards because I'm not only working on Power BI, I also work on SSIS, I also work on data warehousing, incremental loading. I also work on SQL scripts, queries, store procedures. So if you're alone working in the dashboards, means you can create thousands of dashboards, but you will be able to work on multiple skills, right? So SSIS, SQL Server, queries, scripts, views, procedures, you will be able to write them, and dashboards you create. So how many dashboards you have created? You can say 50 plus, 100 plus, sales dashboard, HR dashboard, right? And the sales versus budget dashboard, inventory dashboard, employee, growth dashboard, or, employee attendance dashboard. And if you're working for an insurance company, year wise year, brand by brand, how the insurance policies, the growth and everything, the sales dashboard, like that you can give a lot of random names. So how many reports you have created? I would have created some 200, 300, 400 plus reports have been created. So I'm good in Power BI. So how many SSS package you have created? You can tell them that I have created almost last 3 4 years. That is what is my real experience. And I could say that I have created some 50 plus, 60 plus packages I have created. I know what is a full loading. I know what is a incremental loading. I'm good in SQL Server queries, sub queries, joins, derivative tables. I'm good in views. I'm good in temporary tables, then ranking functions. I'm good in CTE, common table expressions. I know how to delete duplicate values. I know how to write subqueries. So I know what is a stored procedure and difference between the function and stored procedure. Most of the time, we're going to be writing only stored procedures in the companies. Remember, when you join the company, you don't write functions, you don't write triggers, you don't write views, you don't write simple queries. Most of the time, you will be working with what? Stored procedures. Remember this point forever. So, what is the important topic you have to know in SQL? You have to know queries very well. Okay, you have to know which topic? Queries very well. The next topic is called stored procedures. The last topic is indexes. So these are the top three topics you need to know in SQL and T-SQL. Remember this. Queries, plus you need to have stored procedures and indexes. These are from SQL you need to know. From the Power BI angle, you have to know DAX and data modeling, and whatever we are studying Power BI service. What is a row level security? What is a dashboard? How do you share the content with the end users? Right. So these are the topics we have to know from the Power BI. From SSIS angle, what is a full loading? What is a incremental loading? How do you handle the error data? How do you perform the logging? And how do you deploy the packages? What are the different methodologies being used to perform the incremental loading? So these are SSIS topics. Clear? In the data warehousing concept, people would be asking, what is a dimension? What is a fact? What is a star schema? What is a snowflake schema? And what is a slowly changing dimension? what is a factless factor table, and what are the types of dimension, what is a junk dimension, and lot of things I would have discussed in the videos. So all of them are going to come from the data warehousing. So I can tell you 60% of the interview questions are going to come from this topic only, much more going to come from the queries. And one important question, so what is the difference between stored procedure and function? Clear? Compulsorily they'll ask you, what is a local temporary table, what is a global temporary table, what is a table variable, what is a temporary tables. So that is also small topics you have to know. Temporary table versus table variable. Temporary table versus table variable. 60% of the questions are going to come, and remaining 40% are going to come from the Power BI, SSIS, and data warehousing. Clear? So the weightage is more and more weightage is on SQL Server. If you never practiced any case studies, if you never practiced end-to-end project, then definitely you will not be able to crack these interviews. Even though you will be able to crack the interviews, so you cannot, be there in the company not more than 1 or 2 months, because even though theoretically, I am explaining many concepts, theoretically your brain cannot understand for a longer period, right? If you wanted to implement, compulsorily you have to do end-to-end project, where we are going to be starting the project with incremental, that is SSIS, then data warehousing, then we'll have SSAS, then we'll also write stored procedures in the end-to-end project, very complex stored procedures you're going to be writing. Then after that, you create a cube, and we have SSRS reports. So you have to convert SSRS reports into Power BI reports. End-to-end project is compulsory. Everybody has to do once SSIS is over. Am I clear? So this is how for July batch and August batch people have to practice stored procedures, compulsory topic. When you join the company, your manager will ask you, that is a stored proc, it is giving you error, please look into that. So if you don't know how to create the stored proc and what are the issues with the stored proc, then definitely you will not be able to work in the real time. So to get the real time knowledge, there is a end-to-end project. You have to take that, and you need to implement all these when you have learned. Okay, once SSIS is done, you have to start with what? End-to-end project. In that we have SSIS, stored procedures, reports, again cubes, and a lot of things you're going to be learning. So I strongly recommend that you have to practice. Am I clear? So now today we'll be talking about share content with end users. So July batch people, please take the sample CVs and create them, and send it to me for review. So not now, once SSIS is over, or when the project is over, so middle of the project, you will be able to create sample CVs. And anyhow, if you have any questions to discuss, you can share me your number in the email along with your CV. So anytime I will be calling back, because almost all classes got over, right? If you have any questions anytime, so don't think that I'm going away from you. I'm not going away. So I'll be there till you get a job, and after you get a job also I'm there. So you and me away only with a mail. So that's it. If you write a mail, I'll connect with you. Or if I forget, sometimes I'll get thousands of mails. Sometimes I'll forget. You remind, sir, I am waiting for your call. You remind, you send a reminder to me in a mail once again. So definitely you will be able to get the answer. I will call you back anytime. So you never think that we are, going away from you. So always I'll be with you. You will be able to crack the interviews on your own. So don't go for the proxies. Now, proxies are not, happening. So that is what is the point. So how much time will it take complete the end-to-end project? It will take, there are some 25 videos are there, but each video will take a minimum of 2 to 3 hours. So it will take minimum 70 to 100 hours to complete it. Clear? It will take minimum 1 month, but daily 3 to 4 hours of practice you need to put it. It will be very good project. You will get some 20 plus videos, but each video will have a lot of activity to perform. Clear? So videos will be for 20, 23 hours, but the work will be more and more. You need to practice and you will be learning a lot. Clear, guys? So everything you need to learn, guys. And people are saying calls are very, very less, but you should not be worried about whether calls are more, calls are less, because that you do not have any control, either you or me, right? Not only for our technology, complete IT industry, because of Ukraine war and lot of recession, the calls are less, because this is the right time to pick up more and more skills. I'm telling you, if somebody says, cause things are not happening properly, you should not be worried about it, because our students are getting, per average, one or two guys are getting the job opportunities, because we are learning more and more, more and more. You should not be worried about which you cannot control, right? What is that you can control? You can control your learning, you can control your skills, you can have a lot of practice. All of them you can, control. So recession you cannot control, and companies are calling or not calling, you cannot control, but you need to upload your CV in multiple platforms. You need to upload in naukri.com, monster.com, and LinkedIn. And if permits in the LinkedIn, you also create some sample data, take some sample data, create some sample dashboards and publish them into the LinkedIn. And clearly you can mention that in your CV, have create some 50 plus dashboards, have created some 100 plus, reports, something like that you can also mention. And you can also give sample dashboards that you can publish anywhere. You can publish in Facebook and give the link to the, HR recruiter, so that they can understand. This is sample data, not the original data of the company. You can tell them that, because you cannot take original data and create a sample reports and send it to a Facebook, right? So that cannot be done. So you can publish some reports in the Facebook or Instagram, wherever you want to publish, or in LinkedIn. So that you're also working professional. Clear? And majority of the time we will also, sharing daily jobs. So guys, are you getting jobs, mails? So apply these jobs, Madhav sir, and my team is going to be sending regularly mails. You will be able to look for these opportunities, right? Or you can go to goonlinetrainings.com site. You will be able to know there is a jobs folder. Have you seen this? So when you go to this, you will be able to know jobs. So daily latest jobs will be posted by our team. So you can simply click on this and you will be able to know this is posted 2 weeks ago. Clear? So because the site was down, our team is not posting, but I'll ask them to post new jobs. So you will be able to get daily, postings will be there. And the same thing also will get broadcasted through emails. Clear? So you should be able to apply. Daily you need to sit minimum half an hour to 1 hour in naukri.com, monster.com. Keep on applying, keep on applying, keep on applying the jobs. Clear? So that is what is the point. And everybody has to practice, practice, practice. And getting a job is, may take 1 or 2 months extra. But once you get a job, so your life starts and you don't have time to practice anything, guys. Okay? So never worried about, this is happening, that is happening. See, it is common for everybody. It is common for me also. If I apply a job, even I will get less calls. It is common for everybody, not only to you. If everything is common, why is that you need to be worried special, right? So everybody will have the same issues. And still, if you have the skill, getting the job is very, very simple activity. Our students are able to crack the interviews very, very easily. So the secret behind the skill is that we are teaching from basic to end, and we are learning a combination of the courses. And for each and everything, we're practicing. Plus, we're also practicing end-to-end project. Clear? And these are the positive points, good points about this course. And you should not be worried about what you cannot control. Clear? Recession is a recession for everybody, right? In 2009, when recession came, even I lost my job. Right, I was also earning very, very little, and I lost my job. I was, jobless for more than 1 year. So I never thought that, I will jump into some other industry. Why? Why should we? So within 9 months to 1 year, again, I got a job in Patni Computers, but in Chennai. So my family is in Hyderabad. I used to go to Chennai and work, and weekends I used to come to Hyderabad. So Patni Computers, in 2009. I was there in Chennai. So in front of our office only, Shankar Robo movie cinema shooting was going on that time. So every day we used to enjoy that shooting with Shankar and Rajnikant in 2009 period. I think 2008 or 9. Clear. So like that, everybody will have the opportunities, and we should not be worried about whether recession, no recession. So it was a major recession in 2009. Even BTech guys are losing opportunities. Lot of people did not take, BTech computers. Everybody took, mechanical and this gun. But unfortunately, when the recession is over, the mechanical guys, electrical guys now are not very good salaries. Those guys are now jumping into IT industry. Clear? There was fear to learn, join in, computer course in 2009 because my uncle said, CSC is not good, computers is not good. My brother told this is not good because recession that you cannot control. So don't worry about it. Once the recession is over in 2010 and 2011, many opportunities. Those people who have learned in the recession period, now they're able to crack 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs in Indian market, and abroad they're getting more than 1-2 crores per annum. So you should not be worried about that 6 months period, that 1 year period. Because recession, I will not be able to take this. Because recession, I will not learn. That is stupidity, bullshit. So you don't have any risk appetizer in your thing. If you don't have any risk, you will take, comfortable zone, skills, and you don't come out from the comfortable zone. Then if you don't change anything, you don't expect good, returns. If you don't take any risk, and definitely you don't expect any reward. That is for sure. Clear? If you have the risk in your profile, you will be able to jump and you will be able to get into IT companies. You will be able to earn. Otherwise, if you don't take any risk, only I will be able to get 20,000 rupees, 40,000 rupees per month. My friend told me IT industry is not so good because my friend told me I have, age of 41. My friend told me no jobs. No, my friend told me, my friend told me, my friend told me. So completely your friend, that is useless. Why is that? Your friend Bill Gates or guru or a mentor for the entire world? Clear? My friend told me, my friend told me, and my uncle told me, my friend told me. How many days you repeat the same dialogue in your life? So forget about your friend told me, your mother told me. So you need to take one right gurus, so which you cannot control. Nobody, nobody is in that. Only you need to practice more and more what I'm telling you. Clear? So recession time, I taught many people, and they settled in America. So they're simply BCom guys. BCom guys were coming and learning technologies, and BTech guys are working for 20-30,000 rupees works and with the call centers. Now BCom guy is earning now more than 1.5 crore in IT industry. BTech guys are earning 30-40,000 rupees in the non-IT industry. See the things? Because BCom guys have more risk appetizer, and the BTech guys are more going into the comfortable zones. That's it, nothing else. Your qualification, your certification, your village background, your communication skills, nothing is going to come. If you take risk with the proper gurus and proper mentors, definitely you are going to win. You are going to rock. It is not the Power BI, it is not MSB. It is the gurus and mentors behind your scenes and your success stories. 100% I can tell you. Clear? So you need to follow them and practice them so that you can see the miracle. The miracle may happen. It may take three more months or 5 more months, doesn't matter, but it is going to be happening. Clear? But if you don't come and if you don't take any risk, then definitely you will get a rusk. That is for sure. Clear, guys? Because I wanted to tell you more than the content and everything. Many people will not have the risk, but many people will take risk, but without any skill. Simply, they'll pay 2 lakhs. I'm going to take a risk. I'm paying a 2 lakhs to broker. I get a job. That kind of a risk is useless. Clear? You're going on the road and you don't use helmet, and your driving is also harsh. Do you think that you will get a safe destination? It will not be. Clear? So don't go that kind of a risks. So paying 3 lakhs to somebody, he told me he is my own brother-in-law's friend and he has given jobs in railway recruitment for many people. I'm planning to pay 5 lakhs to him. All these things are you lose money. Clear, guys? Never go like that. and take your time and come into the proper industry, come to the proper gurus and mentors always. Clear? If you have any fear, if you think that you have negative feeling, immediately you call me, you mail me, sir, I wanted to talk to you. This is my number. If you don't get the call, remind me once or twice, you will be able to get the call. I will talk to you. So no worries about it. Clear? That is what I wanted to give you for the people who wanted to come from non-IT to IT and forget about my friend told me. All these dialects are useless. Clear? If you don't take any risk at this moment, it is a big problem, big issue in your life. So even I took a lot of risks in my life. Lot 22 years, I have taken a lot of risks. Clear? Chalo. So what is the content? Content means I told you report and a dashboard. How do you share is the question now. Let me tell you how to implement all these things one by one. Share the content means reports and dashboard. Different ways to share: basic sharing, direct sharing, single report or single dashboard. If you wanted to share, we are going for the basic sharing. Clear? I wanted to share multiple reports. I would like to share multiple reports. So all the reports are in the workspace. Okay. Sometimes I wanted to share one report to one user. Clear? I don't want to share complete all the reports. If I wanted to share single report, I can go in for basic sharing. Or if I wanted to share multiple reports, we had a content pack. It is no more. So if somebody asking you a content pack, so it is not at all there in the current version. It is removed 3-4 years back in 2020 content pack or 2021 content packs have been deleted. Now you have one more option. I wanted to share multiple reports. So that is where we are going to be using apps. Clear? So how do you share the report means one is called basic sharing or called direct sharing. The second one is called using apps. Clear? So according to app means I wanted to create an app. What is an app? An app is nothing but a small application. So this application, you can think of a carry bag. You can think of a bag. So in the bag, I wanted to keep a lot of reports. Report number one, report number two, dashboard number one, dashboard number two. So this I can give it to my friend. If I wanted to share a single report, I can share using a report itself or a dashboard itself. But I wanted to give you multiple things. So normally how I'll give you? I will give a bag, right? If you come to me, if you come to my house, I wanted to give you some gifts. What normally we give you? We give you in the bag, right? The bag is called app. Why bag? So this is what is called an app, or you can say carry bag, right? So multiple reports, multiple dashboards you can keep, and this bag you will be able to give it to the end user. Clear? So basic sharing, only one report or one dashboard you can share, but in the app you will be, app is nothing but a carry bag. You can think like that. In the app you can place multiple items, you can give the bag. Clear? One workspace can have only one type of the bag. So what is that you wanted to share? I wanted to share multiple reports, all reports, that is one choice. The second choice is only one report or one dashboard, or I can have collection as report, collection of I have thousands of reports here, but I wanted to keep only 900 reports in this, and I would like to share this app to you so that people can see only 900 reports. Out of 900, let us say 400 reports and the remaining 500 dashboards. Clear? So you can create using workspace. You can share the data with the help of a workspace level. You can share the data at the report level or the dashboard level. You can also share the content in the app level. Clear? So we have different ways to share it. So the next one is called subscriptions. So this is what is called automation. What do you mean by subscriptions? I don't want to go to the app.powerbi.com. I don't want to see the reports there. But how do I see the reports? I will get an email message. So every month we'll get an email communication. This month or last month, a credit card bill is attached. So we never go anywhere. We simply open the email. There is an email from the citibank.com. Last month, the credit card bill is attached. So that is what is called subscription. Subscription means you're sending the reports via email or via WhatsApp. Clear? So they are not going to come to app.powerba.com and they don't want to go to the workspace. The customer doesn't want to go. Automatically, you remind him. So this is a sales report of last month. This is the previous inventory report, last month inventory dashboard. Like that, automatic mails should go. That is what is called subscriptions. Report delivery on schedules. So on the email, how the delivery you wanted to have, I wanted to get the delivery in my email. So I would like to have an Excel file as to be attached. Or I wanted to get the PDF file as an attachment. Clear? I wanted to get a picture or the image, or I wanted to get a video. So whatever you wanted to get, that will be broadcasted with the help of a subscriptions. Clear? Subscriptions means automatically reports are delivered. One guy will say, I need every day 6 o'clock in the morning, I need a report. I am the manager. I need a monthly one PDF file. So I need this report to be delivered. So you're a brand manager, you need a report every alternative days. So you need, you're some other manager, you need the report every 15 days. So people will have different schedules, people will have different timings, people will have different email IDs, people will have different requirements. So everything you can set up once and leave it. Automatically, every day, the report will be sent with the new data. Clear? So today you will be sending midnight or tomorrow morning, you will be sending a report saying that yesterday's sales. Again, the next day, again, it will come next day's sales, yesterday's sales. So every day or last month sales, last week sales, every month, every week, the mails are going to be published. So this is what is called a subscription. So content packs are not there. Removing. How do you share the reports or the content means basic sharing, single report, single dashboard, you can share. Apps or subscriptions means automatic, the mails are going to be scheduled. Clear? So that is what is the point. Now I wanted to understand, so how to create a report, how to share means you need to go to where content on you're going to be sharing. Content means you can see the report and you will also see the dashboard. I don't have the dashboard here. So this is the button. This is the button you need to click on. So all these things you will be able to get under content. You will see the reports under that. You will be able to click. This is what is called basic sharing. Clear? Basic sharing means click on this and I wanted to share it to my friend. So I will be able to go and I will be able to perform these operations. Let me go to app.powerba.com once everything is published. Clear? So I have to go to app.powerbi.com login. I can give a permission to the entire workspace level. That is one thing. If I don't want to give, so let me take Pankaj and click on next, India@12. So I can show you the password. All of them are small, India@12. And if you need these new email IDs after some time, please write me a mail so that I will be able to give you new email IDs. Now you can go to your workspace. Now, where is your report? You can click on your report. So you can simply go to content. You will be able to say share. You will be able to see share. So you will be able to give the complete access at the entire workspace level. So all reports and all dashboards they can see. That is one thing. The next thing, I don't want to give the permission here. I wanted to share like this. So when I click on the share button, I can give some permission, right? So to Vijay, I wanted to take Vijay's email. I wanted to give it here. Now, so there is a problem with this. I don't know what is happening. So one more email address with the following domains are outdated or blah, blah, blah. Check it. So you will be able to give, and you can say copy link and email or Teams, whatever you wanted to have this, you will be able to go and perform. I can give like this. Power BI user. I don't know whether it is still working or not, but let me give you this. Okay. So Power BI user 41 go online trainings.com. So it is not happening. But when you have the proper email IDs and everything, you will be able to click on send button so that this guy will be able to see that report where, so he will be able to, see them and under, his email. So he will be able to get a link saying that Bhaskar Jogi or Pankaj is, creating all of them, right? So Pankaj is shared a report with you or a dashboard with you so that he will be able to click on that link and he will be able to see that. Am I clear? So that is what is called. If you want to share, simply you can go and click on this button, give the allow recipients to share this dashboard, allow recipients to build content with the the data associated with the dashboard. If you wanted to give all of them. Send email notification, allow recipients to share this dashboard. So because these people who wanted to share it to someone else, so that you can restrict or you can give and click on control V and you will be able to grant access. Clear? So grant access to this guy so that you will be able to get a notification. There's a problem here because that mail ID is not working properly. Am I clear? So like this, you will be able to create. Click on this button, you will be able to create. Am I clear? So that is what is the point. But I wanted to have a app. Where is the app I was talking about? The app is visible here. I was talking about apps, right? So you can see there is a create app. So how many apps we can create? So one workspace I have taken. So only one application I can create. So in this app, you can keep what is the dashboard you can link and what is the report you can have. And this app also available there. So you have individual reports and you have this basket. If somebody needs this individual report, you can share. If somebody needs this basket, you can share. This is what is called app. App means a basket. So a box where you can have multiple dashboards and multiple, reports can be there. So one workspace only, one app. That is what is the point. Clear? So that you will be able to create. So these are very, very simple things, not at all complex things. Clear? Basic sharing means end users will get an email with the link. End user cannot edit the report. You need to keep on having the emails and click on send. Nothing else there. Clear? So the next one is called people can go to, go and they will be able to get shared with me. In that, when they click, they will be able to get all the reports which are being shared by different users. Now you see one user, Smita, shared this and Mahita shared this like that. Many people share, but one user is able to get it. Am I clear? So you will be able to get shared with me. So a folder, you click on this, you will be able to get all the reports which got shared. So those are available here. Plus you will be able to get email notifications. So you can also check your email. You will be able to see Smita iBank shared a report. Mahita _ MS shared a report. Like that, you will be able to get a lot of email notifications also. Am I clear? So where to find? You need to go to app.powerba.com and you will be able to see shared with me folder. Okay. So in that, you will be able to see all the reports and dashboard which are being shared by different guys, different admin people, different technical people. Okay, now so that is what is the point. So Below apps only you will be able to find that option, guys. The next one I was so if you wanted to delete in your workspace, you can go click on this and click on workspace settings. You can delete if you want to delete some workspace, and share the content using apps. One app for one workspace. Create a app. Steps: go to workspace, click on the create app, publish the app. These are three things that you need to do. For example, I wanted to not only I wanted to create multiple reports. I wanted to publish, or I wanted to give the access to multiple reports and multiple accesses. Individually, you can give, or you can create one app. Okay, you can create one app. You can give the app name. So app name you can say sales reports for managers. Only this you're going to be sending it for managers, or sales reports for blah blah blah. You can create one and enter some summary. So it contains sales reports like that. Clear? So this is what you wanted to have. You can have the logo. So logo, you will have different logo, and the theme color also you can change. If you wanted to have different theme color, that you can change. And show app publisher, show items content, all of them. Enter name or email if you want to publish now, and install the app automatically in their workspace. And so this is app I'm creating, and add, and what content you wanted to add. Click on this, add a link as a new section. So sometimes I would like to add a links. So links means you are going to be giving some URLs for reading. And if you wanted to add a new section also, what is that you would like to add a new section? You go here, rename. So what is that you would like to add? You want to add some reports, or you wanted to have something here, you will be able to go, and or you want to have reports, or whatever you would like to do it, you will be able to do that. And so add new link, add new section. So section means a chapter, something like that you will be able to have. Now in that, what is that you would like to add it under this? So add content. I wanted to add this, and I would like to add these two and place it. So this one I don't want to delete. So you can delete a section, or there are two things you need to understand: the link and the section. What is a link? Link means you can have a URL. So link means, for example, I wanted to give you a report, and I wanted to have a link name. This is about sales report documentation. Clear? Where is the documentation? For example, documentation I wanted to give you, it is available. It is available in some Google Drive. So I wanted to go there, and I wanted to give some drive links. For example, this link, YouTube link I wanted to give, or I wanted to give some Google Drive link, like that, whatever you wanted to give. Power BI class, source data files link, some link I wanted to give. So I would like to take this link and copy. So this is what is called a new link I was talking about. Some links we can give as part of the documentation. Sometimes they wanted to see this opening in a current tab, and it is part of which section, report section or any other section if you want to give, or you can give multiple things. One is called click on this. So under this reports, or under this you can rename. So it is not a, you can say reports docs, like that. You can create a section. Inside that I have created a link. So you can just go there, create a link. This link will give you the the documentation. These are the reports. These are the reports I've created. Now everything is done. Now you can add the audience to whom you wanted to give this basket. In the basket, I have one dashboard and one report and one documentation I have included, and a next audience. So to whom I need to give specific users and groups at entire organization. So whatever you would like to have, you can have, or entire email. You can say the next email ID which have it. So these guys wanted to get it. So who's the guy who wanted to get it? You can give his email ID, but unfortunately these are not working. So Gopinath, I wanted to share this content to this Gopinath so that this guy can get all of them, right? So Gopinath, now publish app. That's it. So when you publish the app that has large distribution, it might take a little while to process. Typically, the content will be available within 5 to 10 minutes, but it can take up to 1 day also. When you have large content, many reports, it will take a lot of time. So you will be able to get the notification. The following groups have been failed. I don't know. It is not configured properly. So as soon as you publish it, so this basket is available. When he opens, he will be able to see an apps folder. Clear? So he has to click on this apps folder. He will be able to see all the apps which are being published. Clear? So like that, you will be able to get the information. So that is what people have to be using it. Clear? So publish the app. So that is what we need to do it. So otherwise, we don't have any this one. So set up what is the content you need to add and to whom you would like to share this app. Clear? So these are pretty much easy, not at all complex how to share. Now I'm not able to publish because there is a problem with this. So like that, you people will be able to. So sales report successfully published. And so this direct link, you can give it to your boss and they can access the entire app here and go to the app. Clear? So this is the app. Now I have given this, right? So this is the app got created in the app. So in that I have given a link also, right? In that I have given a link. So when you click on this link, so all the documentation is available. So which are getting shown. Clear? I go back here. Now this is the page 1 report. This is the page 2 report. This is the sales dashboard report, which is there inside your app. Clear? So app color is this color. You can go back to your report. Now like that, you will be able to see the reports and everything, apps, everything will be there. So this is the app. Okay. Sales report managers app I have created. So I have, if you wanted to modify, you can just go and modify it here. So this is what is the app. So click on this. Now edit the app. Now I wanted to add something else, means you will be able to do anything. After that, again, you need to update the app. Clear? If you do any modification, you will be able to update it. So these are apps which are available here. So remember this. Clear, guys? Now creating a app is very, very simple, not at all complex. If you wanted to modify anything, you will be again able to modify. And see, a lot of things are available. Whatever you would like to add, whatever you wanted to update. So everything you can add, and again, you would like to update the app. Am I clear? If you wanted to delete, go back to the app, you will be able to delete the app, and all the apps are available within this. And the end user can go, he can click on the app, he will be able to see all those apps published by different people. Clear? So whatever you published, so those are available here. So documentation, if you wanted to have documentation, that is also you can give it to the end user. So this is the easiest thing that you will be able to get it, and you will be able to work with this. Not at all complex one, guys. And like that, one workspace can have only one app. So that app you can create, and after that you can only publish. So this color I had given, so I can change the color to this. I can update the app. Clear? After updating the app, go to the app now. So you will be able to get this color. You can go back. So whatever you wanted to modify, go to your workspace. You can go to your app, and you can say click on update app. So what is that I would like to update? This color I wanted to modify, or this content I wanted to modify, right? I would like to add, you can click on the one more content. You need to add this content also. Click on one more content now. Clear? Or I wanted to go and change this color to something like this. And audience also, I wanted to modify something. So whatever you wanted to have it, you will be able to update it. Now go to app. So you will be able to go to the app, or if you don't want to go directly here, now you can simply go on, click on these apps, click on this. So they will be able to see all the reports. Clear? So like that, whatever you wanted to have, you will be able to create, and you can also delete them. It's very, very simple, not all complex, guys. And creating an app is very, very simple, and you will be able to publish. Clear? So that is what is called app. You can keep multiple reports in one basket, share the entire basket, but you cannot create multiple baskets. Multiple apps you cannot create within a single workspace. uh, One app for one workspace. That is the point. Clear? So create an app, publish the app, blah, blah, blah. All of them we have. So section and link, whatever you wanted to have. So this was the old, UI. Now it is got changed, all of them. Okay. Now, basic sharing versus app. Basic sharing is single report you can share, single dashboard you can share. App sharing means many reports, many dashboards, and also documentation, everything you can share. You can create multiple sections, sales section, dashboard section, like that. You can create multiple sections. You will be able to add a lot of things over there. Okay, so that is what is called app. The last one, how do I handle the subscriptions? Clear? Subscriptions means automation. I wanted to get a report as a end user. I wanted to get the report every Sunday morning 10 o'clock, or every day midnight 1 o'clock. I wanted to get a report automatically. So you have to go to workspace, and you have to create a workspace. You need to go and subscribe. So when you click on this, you will be able to see. Click on this, you will be able to see a subscription. Create a subscription will be there. So that so not this report stream, all these things are not. Create a pipeline. Somewhere you will be able to get subscriptions. Okay. So some delete workspace is there, and somewhere in all somewhere it is there. Create a subscription. Can you guys just check? So you will be able to find out somewhere the subscriptions. Create a report, create a page report, quick insights, settings. Somewhere you will be able to find create some subscriptions. Have you seen this? Yeah, this is the one. Okay, so you have to go where? You have to go to workspace. Clear? You have to go to workspace. And after that, you have to go to settings. You can go to any workspace. You will be able to go to settings. So you will be able to see subscriptions. Now you have to create a new subscription. Where is that? I don't have. So this, UI is got changed recently, I think. So in earlier, we do not have create some build a first report. No, I don't want to build a first report here. So you will be able to see the subscription here somewhere. You will be able to find out. Any questions you have? The subscription, I don't know, somewhere it is hidden. It got modified recently, but let us verify. Okay. I will check it out. And you can also check it out on the Google. You will be able to get those options. and we can just complete that. And the last topic, row level security, we will be able to discuss. Chile. So tomorrow we'll meet and we'll tomorrow will be the last class and we'll finish that. Okay? Yeah.